Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HSGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 24.5 cents, one of the newest areas of support going forward. The ideal level of support, I mean, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward would be if the price can somehow stay up above 26. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 26, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, though, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So the most straightforward way to just gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just keep on watching that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as that line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 26 would be great, but big picture-wise, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Main level of resistance, going to be right up there at 27.5 cents. So 27.5, public enemy number one. Although all in all, resistance levels, they just don't matter. And what I mean by that is what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. Just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built higher and higher over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend continue to build upon itself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.